completely bad. Look, it's not spinning at all. It's literally can't spin. So this one's bad. I'm about to dissect this for y'all and show y'all how to fix that. So I've shown this before. Yep. Sure enough. Look at that. That bearing is all dirty. I bet you it's dry. We're gonna pop it open. So I'll be getting in here like this, needle tools, stuff like that, and you can pry that seal out without damaging it right along the edge. And sure enough, man, it's a bunch of old dried up grease in there. See it? It's a bunch of old dried up grease. You can get in there, wash it out with some solvent, put some fresh grease in there, and you'll be good to go. There we go. There's a good shot of that bearing right there, man. Oh, look at all that old dried up grease. So I'm gonna get this fixed up and show y'all. I'm gonna get in here with some mineral spirits. You can use acetone or whatever, flush this bearing out, but this is like a lost art. This is like actual mechanic work here that nobody does anymore. They just replace parts, and you know, I get it, but at the same time, you need to know how to do this because sometimes you can't get new parts, and it's already spinning freer. So when I do this to these bearings, I prefer Lucas Red and Tacky. That's my favorite grease. Get in there, clean that old grease out, you know, with some solvent, acetone, mineral spirits. Get in there, put a little bit of fresh grease in there. You don't need much, too much, and it's gonna have to push the grease out of the way for the bearing to spin. Too little, bearing's gonna overheat, and we're gonna be right back to where we started. So you don't always have to buy new parts, but if it's a customer's vehicle, you know, get a new one. But if it's yours, it's a Sunday, take it apart, grease it up, and you'll be good to go on a lot of these. If y'all enjoyed the video, drop me a huge thumbs up down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more Chevy truck tip videos in the future because I got plenty more where this came from. Later.